Set up EarthVPN OpenVPN on Windows 7. First, download the Windows OpenVPN GUI 2.2.2 installation. Make sure you are logged into Windows as a user with administrative rights. Extract EarthVPN OpenVPN.zip file to your desired directory and right-click on the downloaded file named OpenVPN 2.2.2 install.exe and select Run as administrator and follow the setup instructions below. If you see a dialog screen for "Do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer?" click Yes or Continue. Click the Next button. Click the I agree button. Click the Next button. Confirm the destination folder and click the Install button. If you have the following message while installing, press Install. Click the Next button. Untick Show README and click the Finish button. Now go back to directory where EarthVPN OpenVPN.zip was extracted. You will see the protocol port directories as shown on the image below. Click the desired port protocol directory. If that protocol port is blocked on your network, you can choose the others and try. We suggest to use OpenVPN UDP ports for connecting to servers which are on other continents. Ping latency over 100 milliseconds. Copy all files to the OpenVPN config directory. For example, if you have previously agreed to install OpenVPN to the default directory, config directory names should be below: 464-bit OSC /program files, x86, /OpenVPN /config. 432-bit OSC /program files /OpenVPN /config. Now, in the toolbar, you should see a symbol for OpenVPN, 2 red screens. You should also have an OpenVPN GUI icon on your desktop. Find the OpenVPN GUI icon on your desktop, right-click on it, and choose Properties from the context menu. Click on Change Settings for all users. In the compatibility window, check Run this program as an administrator. Click OK to close the Properties window. Click OK to close the OpenVPN GUI Properties window. Right-click on the OpenVPN GUI icon, 2 red screens, in the taskbar and choose Exit to close OpenVPN GUI to run again as administrator. How to connect? Find the OpenVPN GUI icon on your desktop and double-click it to launch OpenVPN, or right-click on the OpenVPN GUI icon in the taskbar tray. Find the site to connect to from the menu, and choose Connect from the site submenu. Enter your EarthVPN username and password when prompted and click OK. The OpenVPN GUI icon in the tray will turn green once the secure connection is established. Please note that current OpenVPN GUI does not support more than 50 configs connections, and you may notice in dialog about this. Please delete the config files which you do not have intent to connect from the config directory. To disconnect, just right-click on the OpenVPN server you were connected and select Disconnect.